What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and today we're going to be looking at the sport mufflers on the XP1000s. This fits all the early model up until 23 XP1000s, and we also have a sport muffler for the 2024 XP1000s, which is a little bit different. We also have an E-valve for that one, as well as E-valves for the XP1000 platforms pre-24. So this is our sport muffler. It's pretty straightforward. You can run it with or without the rear fascia. I'll drop a picture. It looks good either way. Some guys want that OEM look, and some guys, want to show off that polished muffler. So either way is cool with us. We do offer quiet inserts for them, and you can reuse your factory spark arrestor. If you're looking to uncork your XP1000 and add some ponies, this is it. This is super affordable, super easy to bolt on muffler. I mean, to do this is 2 springs, 2 bolts at the mid-pipe flange there, and then 4 T40 bolts on the back. So these are super easy, super quick to install. I mean, you're looking at like a 10-15 minute job in your garage, so at most. If you want to pick one of these up, it's RPMSxS.com or any of our RPM dealers that are spread throughout the continental United States and really at the world at this point. We've got dealers everywhere. They'll be more than happy to get you hooked up with one. Yeah, if you got an XP1000 and you want to make it bark, this is it. Check out the video clips.